జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. Dasharatha Maharaju is crying a lot in Kausalya Devi palace. Kausalya Devi is also sitting right next to Dasharatha Maharaju. It is already getting dark. It is like a death night for Dasharatha Maharaju. It is almost midnight. Then Dasharatha Maharaju started saying, "O Kausalya, Ramam me anugata drishtihi adyapi nanivartate." My vision is gone with Rama. It is not coming back at all. O Kausalya, I can't see you. Can you please just touch me? As and how? If any object is fell in the ocean, how that we can't get it anymore? So also in the ocean of divine qualities of Rama, my vision fell and it is not coming back at all. O Kausalya, I can't see you. I can't see anything. Like that, Dasharatha Maharaju started crying. Kausalya Devi, while sitting right next to Dasharatha Maharaju, she also started crying and heavily breathing and saying that, "O Raja, Kaika spilled out so much of venom, poison on my Rama. O Raja, now Kaika is definitely going to make more and more destruction in this kingdom. O Raja, I am very much scared to be living in this palace along with Kaika. O Raja, instead of my Rama's Vanavasam, even Kaika, if she asks Rama be here but as a servant to my son Bharata, that would have been better than this Vanavasam. O Raja, Gajaraja Gatir Viro Mahabahuhu Dhanurdharaha. O Raja, my Rama, my son Rama likes to be here along with everyone. Now I do not know how he is able to live in the forest. My Rama has a beautiful walking style, just like a big, huge elephant. My Rama walks. My Rama has a long shoulders. Raja, do you remember all this?" Like that, Kausalya Devi recalling and remembering Rama and also crying while saying that where my Rama is now, where he is, how he is living in that forest along with Sita and Lakshmana, where he is eating, where he is sleeping. "Oh Raja, when is this 14 years going to be spent? When is my Rama going to come back again? When am I going to see this entire Ayodhya happy? When am I going to see my Sita, Rama coming in this country, into this kingdom in the beautiful chariot? O Raja, when am I going to see my Rama while he is walking in the streets, while all the people are showering all the flowers? When am I going to see my Rama who is making all kind of decorations, who has all kind of ornaments? O Raja, when am I going to see my Rama sitting with me, talking with me and spending a good time with me? When am I going to get that kind of good moments? Raja, Like that, Kausalya Devi also remembering and recalling so many memories and crying a lot while sitting right next to Dasharatha Maharaju in that palace in that midnight. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama 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 Dasharatha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.